Gentlemen, imagine unlocking more energy, sharper focus, better circulation, and stronger hormonal balance, and doing it without pills, powders, or pricey supplements. What if I told you the secret is already sitting in your kitchen? Yes, I'm talking about extra virgin olive oil. The same oil you use for cooking can become the base of a simple nighttime mix that supports testosterone, healthy blood flow, and steady energy, naturally. And guess what? It takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. Before we get into the details, pause right here. This may be one of the most practical, budget-friendly, science-supported habits you bring into your routine this year. Quick favor, drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I love seeing men from all over the world taking control of their health. And if this helps you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos from Dr. Mitchell. Now let's talk reality. Many men believe losing strength, drive, and energy is just part of getting older. I'm over 50, doc, that's life. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Yes, testosterone gradually dips as we age, but the speed and severity of that decline, that's not set in stone. Your daily habits, your sleep, stress, nutrition, movement, and even small nighttime routines influence how well your hormones function. Your body is constantly responding to how you treat it. Give it the right nutrients, reduce inflammation, and protect your circulation, and you can support healthy testosterone production, often without medication. And that's where this evening olive oil blend comes in. For those who are new here, I'm Dr. Mitchell. I'm a board-certified physician who has spent more than a decade helping men rebuild strength, confidence, and vitality even in their 50s, 60 seconds, and beyond. I've seen men who felt worn down and hopeless rediscover their drive and well-being with simple, biology-friendly habits like this one. There's no magic potion, but there are powerful routines that stack up and create real change over time. And this nighttime mix is one of my favorites. Before we make it, let's break down the ingredients so you understand exactly why they work. First, extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, the same type your body uses to create hormones like testosterone. It's also filled with antioxidants that help calm inflammation and support flexible, healthy blood vessels. Inflammation disrupts hormonal communication. Reduce inflammation, and the brain-to-testes signal becomes clearer and stronger. And when blood vessels are relaxed and open, confidence in the bedroom improves too. Replacing processed oils with olive oil alone is already a step toward better hormones. In this recipe, it's your anchor. Next, garlic. When you crush garlic and let it sit, it forms compounds that relax blood vessels and support lower blood pressure. Think of it like turning a narrow hose into a wider one. Better flow, stronger performance. Many men don't realize how closely blood flow and sexual performance are connected. It's not just hormones, it's circulation. Just one clove, rested and mixed into your oil, is enough. Third, fresh lemon juice. Lemon delivers vitamin C, which protects nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your blood vessels to expand. It also helps keep artery walls strong and flexible. Better blood flow means clearer thinking, more stamina, and better recovery from exercise. A teaspoon creates a refreshing flavor and keeps this something you enjoy. Consistency is key. Fourth, ginger. Ginger helps control blood sugar, ease inflammation, and improve microcirculation. Research even shows it may support healthy hormone levels in men. Blood sugar spikes and crashes drain your mood and energy. Ginger helps keep you steady. A small amount, grated or powdered, adds warmth and smooth spice. Finally, turmeric with black pepper. Curcumin in turmeric is a powerful inflammation fighter, but it needs piperine from black pepper to be absorbed properly. Together, they lower silent inflammation that interferes with hormone balance and weakens circulation. Just a pinch of each turns the oil golden and aromatic. You'll feel like you're fueling your body with purpose because you are. Here's how to make it. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 crushed garlic clove, let it rest 10 minutes. First, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half a teaspoon grated ginger or a small pinch of powder, a pinch of turmeric and black pepper. Whisk until smooth and golden. How to take it? You have options. Sip it as a quick evening tonic. Drizzle over vegetables or a salad. Use as a dip for whole grain bread. It's versatile and tasty. Why at night? Because your body does most of its repair and hormone production while you sleep. Testosterone rises early in the morning. Giving your body quality nutrients before bed supports that natural rhythm. Do this most nights, not perfectly, just consistently. Let's manage expectations. You won't take this once and wake up with movie star muscles and superhero energy. Biology doesn't work like that. But within 2 to 4 weeks, many men report steadier energy, better recovery, improved mood, more motivation, stronger performance, and confidence. These improvements build naturally and sustainably. You're not forcing your body, you're supporting it. This isn't about trying to be 20 again. It's about protecting your strength, dignity, and confidence as you age. Your body can still produce testosterone. You can still feel powerful, sharp, and energized if you give yourself the fuel and the habits that support it. This blend is not hype. It's a tool. Pair it with movement, quality sleep, stress management, and smart nutrition, and you will be amazed at how strong and capable your body still is at any age. So here's your challenge. Use this evening mix for the next 30 days. Add 2-3 strength workouts a week. Take a short walk most evenings, and aim for 7-8 hours of sleep. Then tell me how you feel at the end. If this helped you, hit like, share it with a brother who needs it, and subscribe to Dr. Mitchell for more practical men's health guidance every week. Your health is a lifelong investment. Age is not the enemy, neglect is. With small, consistent actions, you can feel strong, confident, and sharp for decades to come. Stay committed, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video.